All right, little heroes, are you ready to save the day? First, we need to reach for the sky. Stand tall like a skyscraper in our web shooter stretch. Reach your arms way up high, higher. Imagine you're shooting golden webs into the clouds to stay steady. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out. You are growing taller and stronger every second. Hold it right there. Feel the power in your legs. Keep breathing. Great job. Now, step 1 foot forward and bend your knee. This is scanning the horizon. Reach your hands up and look straight ahead. We are looking for anyone who needs help in the city. Feel how strong your hero muscles are in your legs. Take a big breath. Imagine you can see for miles. Stay super still, just like a statue. You are brave, you are focused. Hold it strong, keep breathing. Almost there. Can you stay balanced on a thin web line? Let's try hero balance. Put 1 foot on your leg and bring your hands to your chest. If you wobble, that's okay. Just imagine a tiny web holding you from the ceiling. Deep breath in, focus on one spot in front of you. This helps your brain stay super sharp for school and play. You're doing amazing. Time to get low. Imagine you are sitting on the edge of a tall building in a rooftop crouch. Bend your knees like you're sitting in a chair and stretch your arms out front. Ooh, I can feel my hero thighs working. Can you feel it too? That's your super strength building up. Keep your chest high and a big smile on your face. Take a deep breath, stay low, stay strong. You are a powerhouse. Just a few more seconds. Now, let's go even lower into the web shield squat. Drop your hips down low and push your knees open with your elbows. We are making a giant, invisible shield to protect the city. This is great for making your body flexible and fast. Breathe in the hero air and breathe out the tiredness. You are doing a fantastic job, little hero. Hold it, stay steady, and relax. Time to get stealthy, heroes. Lower down into the agile crawler. Keep your body straight and strong like a steel beam. We are crawling across a giant web bridge. Use your super core strength to stay flat. Take a deep breath. Feel your arms getting stronger. You're doing amazing. Don't let your tummy drop. Keep it high. Hold it strong, keep breathing. Now, lift those hips high into the sky for the sky scanner. Push your hands into the ground and stretch your tailbone way up. We're looking underneath the city clouds to make sure everything is safe. Pedal your feet a little, stretch those hero legs. Deep breath in and let out a big hero sigh. You are flexible and fast. Hold it right there, almost done. Great job. Now, stand up and stretch your arms out wide like giant webs in web strike lunges. Look over your front hand. That's your target. You are focused, you are ready for anything. This pose makes your legs powerful and your mind sharp. Take a big breath. Feel the energy flowing through your fingertips. You're doing amazing. Hold it strong, keep breathing. Let's create a super triangle. Reach one hand down to your ankle and the other way up to the sun. This helps us stretch our sides so we can swing between buildings easily. Imagine you're holding a glowing power cube in your top hand. Breathe deep, feel the stretch. You are becoming a master of movement. Keep holding, keep smiling. Ready for a launch? Lay on your tummy and push your chest up for the web zip launch. Look up at the sky. We are about to zip across the city. Feel the stretch in your back and chest. Take a deep breath in and imagine the wind in your hair as you fly. You are brave, you are fast, and you are a hero. Hold it high. Keep breathing. Time to fly. Lean forward and lift one leg back for the flying web glider. Stretch your arms out front. You are soaring high above the city streets. Balance is your superpower. If you fall, just hop back up like a pro. Take a deep breath. Feel the wind beneath your wings. You're doing amazing. Stay flat, stay focused. The city needs a bridge. Lay on your back and lift your hips high for the city bridge. We are creating a safe path for everyone to cross. Press your feet into the ground. Feel that leg power. Breathe in and out. You are a hero people can depend on. Hold it high. Don't let the bridge sag. Keep breathing. Now, curl up into a tiny web bundle. Hug your knees tight. This is how we hide from the bad guys in small spaces. Roll a little bit side to side. It feels like a hero massage for your back. Take a deep breath in and out. Even heroes need a moment to gather their strength. You are strong, you are safe. Hold that hug tight. Keep brayety. Let's sip sideways. Balance on one hand and turn your body for the hero plank side zip. Reach your top hand up to grab a web line. This makes your side muscles super tough. Breathe deep. Look up at your thumb. Your focus is incredible. Stay steady. You're doing great. Almost there. Sit down and let's look behind us. Cross one leg and twist in the sitting scout. This twist helps our hero spine stay flexible for all those flips. Look as far back as you can. Is the coast clear? Yes. Take a big breath in, feel your back getting taller. You are a master scout. Keep twisting gently. Sit down with your legs straight and reach for your toes in the web net stretch. Imagine you are casting a wide net to catch any remaining troubles. It's okay if you can't touch your toes. Just reach as far as you can. Feel that wonderful stretch in your back. Breathe in and breathe out. You've worked so hard today. Time to go invisible. Fold forward into the stealthy spider. Rest your forehead on the ground and let your arms relax. You are perfectly hidden and perfectly safe. This pose helps your hero brain rest after a long day of saving the city. Take a deep, slow breath. Feel your back rise and fall. You are calm. You are peaceful. Our mission is done. Lay completely still in the sleeping sentinel. Close your eyes and let your whole body go heavy. You saved the city with your strength and focus. Listen to your breath, like the soft sound of the city wind. You are a true superhero. Stay very still. Just relax and be proud of yourself. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe now to follow the next yoga exercises.